Hey everyone, a few years ago one of my close friends had to undergo a sudden surgery. The total hospital bill was around 8 lakh. Now he had health insurance but still he ended up paying nearly 3 lakh from his pocket. Do you know why? Because his plan did not cover certain procedures and the claim process was a nightmare. That's when I realized something important. Most of us don't actually understand health insurance. We assume having some policy means we are protected. But in reality, a lot of families only find out what their health insurance does not cover when it is already too late. Now here is the good news. The government just made a move that could fix a big part of this problem. From 22nd September, they have removed the 18% GST on health insurance. Yes, zero GST. The single move will make insurance more affordable, more accessible, and will hopefully push more people to protect themselves before a medical emergency hits. But the question is, how do you use this opportunity smartly? And what are some top health insurance plans in India? So in this video, we'll cover what the zero GST change means for you, how to use that saving effectively, and 3 health insurance plans that are genuinely worth considering. Not sponsored, not promoted, but backed by research. Alright, let's get started. Let's take a simple example. So your health insurance premium is 50,000 rupee. Earlier, with 18% GST, you were paying 59,000. That extra 9,000 was GST. Now that GST is gone, that 9,000 stays in your pocket. And it's not a one-time discount, it's permanent. You'd save this GST every year. Just to give you an idea, over the next 20 years, you would save almost 2 lakh rupee that would have otherwise gone in tax. That's money you can use now to buy a better plan or invest the savings every year. So this is not just a tax change, it's a financial planning opportunity. Now the question is, why this matters so much? First reason is, medical costs are exploding in India. Let's be real, healthcare inflation in India is scary. It's rising at 12 to 15% every year. A surgery that costs 5 lakh today may cost 20 lakh in 10 years. And the sad truth, most families cannot afford that without going into debt. By removing GST, government has made insurance more accessible because they finally realized that medical protection should not be taxed like a luxury item. And second, the real problem is not affordability, it's actually understanding. Most people don't buy insurance smartly. They either go by whatever their agent suggests or pick the cheapest plan they find online or assume their office policy is enough. And when the emergency hit, they realize their comprehensive plan does not cover certain procedures or the waiting period blocks their claim or the process is so complex that they just give up. That's not real protection. That's a false sense of security. So in this video, let's change that. Let's look at 3 health insurance plans that actually gives good coverage, transparency and long-term value. Okay, before we start, one quick note. Everyone's needs are different. Your age, health condition, income, family size, all these factors matter. So treat this video as your starting point, not a final shopping list. Also, while doing research for this video, I have taken help from Ditto Insurance. That is our partner in today's video. Ditto Insurance is one of the most trusted platforms for health and term insurance guidance in India. What I like about them is their transparency. They don't sell policies for commission. Instead, they focus on helping you choose the right one for your situation. Plus, they make insurance simple. No jargon, no bias, no pressure to buy. You just book a quick free consultation and they help you pick a plan that actually fits your need. In fact, now they also offer dedicated health advisors. They even handle your claim process later on, so you don't have to deal with paperwork or confusion. And the best part, they don't spam you with calls like typical agents do. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Now let's look at the first health plan. So the first health plan is HDFC Ergo Optima Secure. See, most health plans start small. You buy a 10 lakh cover, you get 10 lakh, simple. But Optima Secure flips that idea. From day one, it doubles your coverage. So 10 lakh coverage instantly becomes 20 lakh. For a middle class family, that's a big deal because medical costs don't just grow, they explode. Today's 5 lakh hospitalization can easily touch 12-15 lakh in a few years. So having that extra layer of protection right from the start gives you genuine peace of mind. Now of course, this comes with a slightly higher premium, but what you get in return is not just more coverage, it's also HDFC's reliability. They have a huge hospital network, they also have a high claim settlement ratio of 97% and one of the lowest volume of complaint. This reflects a strong customer satisfaction and effective service. So if you're someone who wants to stop worrying about whether your insurance will be enough, Optima Secure is one of those few plans that let you sleep peacefully at night. Of course, the premium is slightly higher, around 15-20% more than peers, but you are paying for a smoother experience and faster claim support. For more details, you can visit Ditto platform where you can access all the information about this product that include the product review. Then you can also have expert review. That says it not only double your sum insured immediately, but also top it up to 4 times in subsequent year. Plus it provides built-in product benefit which covers the often overlooked non-medical expenses like gloves, mask and consumable. Then you can also see the pros and cons. One of the cons is it does not cover maternity benefit. You need to opt for an add-on for maternity cover. Then you can see the detailed feature list like 2 times secured benefit that we have already discussed. Second is this policy has no co-payment clause. It means the insurer will bear the entire cost of treatment up to the sum insured. You won't have to pay a single penny. Then there is no restriction on room rent. Then there is no disease-wise sublimit. And one last important point, there is a pre-existing disease waiting period of 3 years. So if you are already dealing with diabetes, cardiovascular problem or any such illness, the insurer will cover all costs arising out of these pre-existing problem after you wait for 3 years. Overall, HDFC Ergo Optima Secure is best for working professional in their 30s or 40s who want premium service, trusted brand and don't mind paying a bit more for peace of mind. Second health insurance is Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0. One of its top features is unlimited restoration. It means your cover refills unlimited times in a year. So even if you exhaust your 10 lakh limit, it resets automatically. You don't have to wait for renewable. Then its another superb feature is lock the clock. Usually after a certain age, your health premium increases. But with the lock the clock feature, your premiums get locked. When you buy the plan, it remains the same until you make your first claim. For instance, if you buy this plan at age of 30, now your premium stays at 30-year-old rate when you turn 35, 40, 45, as long as you don't claim it. It will increase only if you claim it, based on your age, inflation and various other factors. Then its third very important feature is coverage multiplication. It means your unused coverage for the year will be transferred over to the next policy year. Actually, there are 3 variants of Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0. First is Bronze Plus, but it does not offer lock the clock feature. Second is Platinum Plus and third is Titanium Plus. With Platinum Plus plan, your coverage can multiply by 5 times and with Titanium Plus plan, coverage can multiply by 10 times. It means with Platinum Plus plan, your 10 lakh sum insured can become 50 lakh and with Titanium Plus, it can become 1 crore. You can get more details on Ditto platform like its 92% claim settled in 30 days and maintains a network of 10,000 hospitals. The catch is the grievance handling is not as smooth as HDFC. They have 43 complaints per 10,000 claim registered. Overall, Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0 is best for individuals above 45 or families with higher health risk who want scalable coverage and can manage slightly more complex claim processes. Then third health plan is Care Supreme. Now if you want a plan that is more performance driven, this one is interesting. One very unique feature of Care Supreme is it not only covers you when you fall sick, it rewards you for staying healthy. If you maintain your step count or fitness routine through their wellness app, you can earn up to 30% discount on your renewable premium. Another cool part is the cumulative bonus feature. Every year you don't make a claim, your coverage grows big time. So let's say you start with 10 lakh coverage. After 5 claim-free year, your cover can go up to 60 lakh with same policy and same base premium structure. That's like getting rewarded just for staying healthy. Then third very interesting feature of Care Supreme is instant cover add-on for pre-existing conditions. Usually if you have conditions like diabetes, asthma or hypertension, insurers make you wait for 2 to 4 years before you can claim. But with Care Supreme instant cover add-on, that waiting period can be reduced to just 30 days. That's huge because lifestyle diseases are super common today. Although the claim settlement ratio is slightly lower than HDFC Ergo at 93%, but decent for the benefits it offers. Few cons include it does not provide free health checkups and maternity benefit is not covered. Overall, Care Supreme is best for young professionals in the range of 25 to 35 who are healthy, active and want affordable premiums that rewards good lifestyle habits. Now that we have seen the best plan, the next question is how much coverage do you actually need? Because this is where most people either overpay or underprotect. Okay, let's make this easy. There is no best policy. There is only best for your situation. If you are between 25 to 35 and healthy, start with 10 to 15 lakh base cover. Your premium will be around 10-15,000 per year. If you are 35 to 45 years old with dependents, then go for 15 to 20 lakh coverage. Premium will be roughly 18 to 25,000. If you are 45 plus or have existing conditions, then don't cut corners. Opt for a comprehensive plan with restoration features. Premiums might be 30-40,000, but one hospitalization can cost 15 to 20 lakh easily. Always remember that the wrong policy is just a piece of paper. The right policy is your family's financial shield. Overall, if you conclude, the zero GST move on health insurance is more than a financial reform. It's a statement that health protection should be universal, not optional. Please don't wait for a medical emergency to understand the value of insurance, because the only thing more expensive than health insurance is not having one when you actually need it. If this video helped you understand health insurance better, share it with someone who is still uninsured. And if you want to explore which plan fits you best, book a free call with Ditto. They'll help you choose without spam or bias. Link is in the description. I'll see you next video. Till then, take care.